Okay, so here is a classification chart for metamorphic rocks. So we said that metamorphic rocks could be classified based on their texture and their mineral content. So that you'll notice that the textures are going sideways. There were two kinds of textures. So you have foliated and non-foliated. So the foliated textures go with the regional metamorphism. And then the other kinds of metamorphism, the contact, the hydrothermal, the burial, the fault, and then the impact, are all going to be examples of non-foliated rocks. Okay, then you also notice that it depends on the mineral content. So the mineral content is the up and down column, and that is going to be what was the original rock. So that's the protolith. So that, for example, one type of regional metamorphic protolith is going to be a detrial rock. So that means it's going to be composed of other pieces of rock that were glued together. If you recall, that was a type of sedimentary rock. Okay, so the first class of metamorphic rocks are going to be the regional metamorphic rocks, and then these are going to be formed by pressure and temperature. So these are going to be associated with mountain building, where you've got plates that are being pushed together so that they're under extreme pressures, and they tend to be deep underground, so that they tend to have a lot of heat associated with them. Okay, the one that's underneath that is contact metamorphism. So this is where you only have heat involved, and you're going to take a pre-existing rock, such as, for example, a carbonate like limestone, and you're going to subject that to heat, and it's going to metamorphosize into marble. Okay, the next kind is going to be hydrothermal. So you're going to have hot fluids that are going to be doing the metamorphism. Okay, then the one underneath that is going to be burial. So this is going to be where you're going to have any kind of rock that's buried underground, and then the pressure of the weight on top of it is going to metamorphosize it. Okay, then the next kind is going to be fault metamorphism, in which you're going to have rocks that are caught in between two plates as they're sliding past each other, and that's going to metamorphosize a rock. And then you've got impact. So this is going to be caused whenever an asteroid makes impacts with the Earth, and that can metamorphosize rocks. Okay, so let's take a break, and when we come back, we're going to go through each of these different categories in turn.